Hi! Having tested a huge number of services from the best freelancer sites category, I chose the best one for myself. Using this site, I am making over $10,000 per month. They offer job scenarios such as logo design, graphic design, copywriting services, and industrial design. In this short video, I will tell you 5 secrets to help you. Look carefully at the screen so you don't miss out on what's important.
Guru is a freelance platform that features both individual professionals and teams offering services in 8 main areas. Guru is great for freelancers and employers looking to work together on long-term projects. One of the advantages of the Guru platform is that employers do not need to pay a commission for posting their project, as well as receive offers directly from freelancers. There is only a small fee here that is charged for processing payments. Employers may be pleased to know that various payment methods are available on the Guru platform besides bank cards and electronic payment systems, for example, checks and transfers. Serious high-stakes freelance platform. Guru is a very interesting freelance platform aimed at professionals rather than beginners. You will easily notice that the cost of working with Guru is much higher than that of other similar services. But on the other hand, the service provides all the necessary tools and functions to ensure the timely and high-quality implementation of your project. A huge selection of freelancers and a simple search system will allow you to find the most suitable specialist for your task. Why choose Guru? I wonder if you can complete your project with Guru. High service commissions are braved by low-skilled hordes. It has everything you need to successfully develop your freelance team. Let us tell you everything. Freelance without borders. The Guru service has brought together freelancers from all over the world under its wing. The only drawback here is the financial issue. You will have to fork out for membership. And then, in general, it makes no difference whether you treat Guru services with enthusiasm or disgust. This was done in order to make life difficult for users who decided not to pay for using the site for work. Guru is used by people from all over the world. You can find freelancers there from the USA, Europe, Asia, and so on. But it's worth noting that performers from China, India, and the Philippines are often too persistent but not experienced enough. Many employers do not like this combination. They avoid hiring freelancers from these countries, although in fairness they have very favorable rates. Each new response to your project can be the beginning of a long and fruitful cooperation here. Or maybe not. Guru is a reliable service that provides both parties, freelancers and employers, with high-quality services. The Guru service is already more than 10 years old, and this period alone proves that it is a reliable, trustworthy site where you can find freelancers for any project and deal with the implementation of your project without any problems. Unlike other freelance sites, Guru has neither contests nor a complex ranking system based on artist experience. The main thing for both clients and performers here is feedback. If you have poor reviews, then you are unlikely to be hired or responded to your project. You can describe projects in any way convenient for you. However, remember that disclosing direct contact information on Guru is prohibited. For this, the account may be closed. Other notable features of Guru include a dedicated time-tracking software that allows clients to track the work of a performer hired on an hourly project. Using the Guru website is a sheer pleasure. Everything is simple, clear, convenient, until you open the service blog. Here, of course, it would not hurt to take measures and put things in order. Well, at least use tags. A blog is a source of the most important information, and it is so difficult to work with it. It doesn't have to be that way, but the search works great. You can easily search for freelancers and projects. It's safe to say that Guru brings a touch of humor and a pinch of fun to its business. However, the fun ends exactly at the moment when you see your first bill for using the service. The happy emote icons that appear while filling out the registration form seem to pop up sometimes in the wrong place, but this is nonsense. There are 3 types of monthly billing accounts, depending on what industry you are in. When paying in bulk, a 20% discount is available. Payment system, verified bank card or PayPal. Payment protection, a special system Guru, SafePay, where you need to separately register and be verified. Payment disputes. Mediation and arbitration are only available to users who have registered with SafePay, have tried to resolve the dispute on their own, and have more than $25 at stake. The amount of commission depends on the type of your subscription and the level of activity and reviews on Guru. So you will pay 2.95% for each transaction plus 4.5%, 11.95% for monetary transaction. This system of interest can be tricky to grasp, but the FAQ section explains everything in detail. Guru is a powerful freelance site where you can safely work with freelancers. Understanding the percentage calculation system is also not so easy. However, here you can find quite competent freelancers, and working with the site's tools is not only convenient but also pleasant. In other words, we cannot but recommend this platform. Pros: very experienced freelancers, nice and intuitive interface, a program for tracking time spent at work, big discounts for users who subscribe to the service. Minuses: sophisticated billing system.